to Marine Detail Supply, setting the standard for the marine detailing industry. We set the standard.
Hey, Captain Ken here with Marine Detail Supply Company. We have the Lake Country 4000 pad cleaning system right in front of us. And questions that we get asked all the time, and I think a lot of you out there may be curious about it, how do you properly clean your pads? Well, there's many different ways by using, maybe you use Dawn dish soap, all-purpose cleaner, and rinse it out with a hose and such like that. And that process does work. However, I think Lake Country has really figured it out and simplified that system. Not only is it more efficient to use this system here, it's actually faster, where you can take it on the job site and literally have a dirty pad clean within seconds. I'm excited to actually go through and show those of you out here how well this system works. You can see here we got some nasty pads that's been through some work already, and we're going to show you how quick and easy it is using one of these systems. And if you're a professional out there, this is something I would highly encourage you to invest in, and you're going to see why in this video, because this is more than just a 5-gallon bucket. It has separate areas within this bucket system where not only does it hold your fresh water with cleaning solution, it also has an area where when you're cleaning the pad, it actually distributes the dirty water and puts it in a separate container. That way, essentially, when you're cleaning your pads, it's getting the fresh solution every single time. So again, go ahead and sit tight in here. What we're going to do is we're going to disassemble this baby. We're going to put the cleaning solution in it, and we're going to take you through exactly how this system works. Okay, so now we have the powder solution and the water mixture in the bottom of the bucket. Now we need to prime it, right? This can be a little crazy, but essentially how you prime it is you push down on this. I need to kind of back up a little bit. Whoa! And that's how it works. But here's the cool thing about this is not only is it work well on wool pads, which we're going to demonstrate first, it works well on foam pads, even DA wool pads, and your hybrid wool pads. So let's first start off with the old trusty white wool pad on a ROTARY. You want to make sure that you're closer to the lowest setting, okay? Because there's no need to really go fast on this. So right now I think this one's on 600, and I'm gonna really prime this pad at least about 4 or 5 times. 1, 3, 4, 5, maybe give it a little extra because it is a wool pad, right? So now this has got a lot of solution that's sitting on it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start it off really slow and let the pad work in. And wool that's actually sitting in here. Now what you're going to do is to spin it dry, you're literally going to hover it above it and just let it spin out. Maybe turn it up just a little bit. Pretty sweet right there. So let's move into some foam pads. All right, so we saw the wool pad. Let's see how it works on a random orbital machine with a foam pad. Yeah, same thing. I'm off 1. Get it, lift it up, cover it. Look at that. Almost perfectly clean pad right there. And here's the cool part. The pad's completely dry. You can essentially go straight back to, using this pad where you needed it. So now that we used the foam pad, let's try the, the wool pads, and we can actually move into a hybrid wool where this pad is really bad, right? And this has been caked on for a while too. This is not like we just use these pads today where, this compound and such has, only been in there for a couple hours. I mean, I think this one's 6 months old. Wow. Well, I think we all would agree that the Lake Country 4000 pad cleaning system does a really good job. Fast at that. It's way faster than using a water hose and some Dawn dish soap. I can literally go right to the job now and use this pad again. It's damp enough. I think this is an amazing system. So if you're interested in it, the links will be down in the description below. And again, make sure that you subscribe to our channel because we're going to consistently keep doing product reviews like this and giving you tips. That way it ups your detail game. We appreciate you.
Sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment on our content. We encourage engagement and debate. Be on the lookout for more product reviews, tutorials, and interviews just like this. Follow us on social media for free giveaways weekly. See you next time.